Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Chocolate cake. I come across a lot of different recipes. I have a lot of different recipes. I develop a lot of recipes, but this time I have to give the credit to Jan Couvreur. He's a well-known pastry chef in Paris. He has a store in Dubai. And I see his recipe on social media. I try it and I love it. So I need to give him the credit, and I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to start with 6 eggs and 100 grams of sugar. And I'm going to put that into my stand mixer. Okay, so 6 eggs and 100 grams of sugar. And then I'm going to mix that together and make it light. Actually, I'm going to make it very light, like I will do maybe a génoise. So you can just beat it like that, but if you want to speed up the process with a torch, or by just putting the bottom of the mixer into hot water, you will warm up those eggs. So with the torch, it's always a little bit easier. Be careful to don't burn your eggs if you do that. Okay, so that's going to take a couple minutes. I'm almost done with warming up the bowl. On the meantime, I start melting 200 grams of butter with 200 grams of 60% dark chocolates and 200 grams of milk chocolate. I also have 6 grams of salt. We can put the salt in here. So salt always accentuates the flavor of the chocolates. And then I have 100 grams of cake flour. So 3 mixtures: chocolate and butter, flour, eggs. We're going to mix those 3 together, put them into a mold where I put some parchment paper on the bottom and on the side, a little bit of butter first, stick the parchment paper, and we're going to cook that about an hour at 300 degrees. So my eggs are almost ready. Silence. Okay, so now you can see how light are those eggs and sugar. So that's going to bring some lightness to the cake, of course. So I'm going to remove that. Then I'm going to use a sifter for the flour. And you can just put the flour like that in your sifter directly, and then sift your flour on top of the egg. So that allows the flour to mix a little bit better. And then the last thing is I take a spatula a little bit bigger. I start mixing. Be gentle with those eggs. We work hard on making them very light. We want to keep them light. And when the flour is almost completely mixed, then you can add the chocolate mixture and salt. And that's it. I mean, it's a very simple recipe. I think the success of this recipe is into the balance and the flavors. So I'm going to be very careful now to keep the lightness of the cake. The mold needs to be 8 inches in diameter. And what do you think? About 3 inches, 3.5 inches tall. And that's important because you want enough height in this cake. My mixture is nice and all blend together. I'm going to put that into the mold. Look at that, look like a chocolate mousse. Okay, voila. And now I'm going to put it in the oven, 300 degrees, almost an hour. So it was ready in 45 minutes in the oven at 300 degrees. I put the mold and the cake directly into the refrigerator for a couple hours, and then warm up the mold and everything came out. So now I need to remove, of course, the paper, as you can see, and then the paper under. I put it on the cake ring. So if it's any celebration, or if you want a celebration cake, you can take a little ganache and then you can decorate it with some ganache. You can put some whipped cream in a piping bag and put a little bit of whipped cream. You can put some berries on top. You have a lot of different choice. I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it very homemade. So this is kind of what I do here. I have some warm water and a knife, and I want to cut a little slice, show you the inside of the cake. So my suggestion will be to actually leave it outside for a couple hours for the cake to come back to temperature. Remember, chocolate contains cocoa butter, and cocoa butter become a little bit firm into the refrigerator. If you leave it at room temperature, then the cake comes a lot softer. And that's all it is to it. You can see it's very moist, and this is what I love into a chocolate cake, moist and flavorful. So let's try it. Definitely one of the best chocolate cake that I tried so far. Thank you. Bon appétit.